welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing phenomenal and enjoying the summer. And in today's video, I am going to show you something super special. And if you're new to my channel, hello, I am Karina, and this is a paper craft and also an organizational channel. So if you would like to watch these type of videos, just don't forget to click the subscribe button and to tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much. And in today's video, yes, I have something very special to share. So, my dear crafty friend, I just love her work. She is just so talented. She has an account in Instagram. And do you know who I'm talking about? Yes, it's the famous Adriana J Alvarez. Oh, I love her crafting. And if you don't follow her, please go and check her feed in Instagram. I'm gonna leave her feed in the description box below. And she posts always phenomenal crafts. And she posts a gorgeous summer kind of like pouchy with sequins craft, and I said, you know, if you're selling that, I want to buy it. I just want to have her work. It's just like so beautiful, and it came in this beautiful box, so now it's mine. So I am gonna go ahead and flip the camera so you can watch what I got from Adriana J Alvarez. Okay, so I am here with the box from Adriana J Alvarez. I'm going to leave her information. She has an Instagram account in the description box below. So just to cut time, I just like open it up, but I haven't taken a peek. So let's see. Wow, I just so excited. I want to see what I got. Oh, and she sent me. Oh, she is so. Oh, look at that. She gave me a note in this very gorgeous big Project Life card. Nice, very nice. So, oh, look at that. Look at her packaging. Oh, so gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, so we got that here. Look at that. Look at that. How cute. And of course I don't want to damage anything. I like this sticky. And oh, ta-da! Look at this. And sorry with the glare. So let's come closer so you guys can appreciate this beauty. Yes. Oh, look at that. Oh, I love it. I just love it. Oh my goodness. Oh. It's a travel baggie. How cute. And then the topper. I just love her layering and her crafting style. And this is just so gorgeous. Oh, look at that. It's a embellishment. It's a circle embellishment with vellum, and she used that hot pink and a couple of threads and a chipboard. Genius. Oh, and look at this beauty. Look at all the layering. It's just so 3D, three-dimensional, and it's a baggy topper and has a banner. Look at the heart. It's a shaker heart. And I love these mini charms. And the heart and the camera more. I just love her crafting style and the way she layers things. She knows how to coordinate colors and make contrasts. I just love it. Love it, love it. And this is the beauty too. Look at this. When I saw the picture on Instagram, I said, I have to have that. I just have to have that. It needs to be in my craft room. So when I'm editing videos, I just look up and just see beautiful things. So And it is, look at the little hat. And I believe she used probably SVG files. Look at that, how cute. Cute, cute, cute. And then the front is a pouch. It's like she sewed this zipper on paper. Oh my goodness. Isn't this genius? Oh, and I love the charms. Very cute. I hope I'm on frame. And inside, oh my goodness, inside I got these two goodies. Let me see. It's like kind of like a medallion rosette. Very cute. And these banners, I love the banners with the pom-poms, so I can just stick the pom-poms on the ends. And it's 1 and 2. How gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. But let's analyze these beauty. So the zipper, she stitched everything as always. And here is Paradise Found. It is a shaker. How cute. It's a shaker, but this is like a chipboard. One of the banners, again, you see how everything goes along, everything ties in, and like the circle vellum here, and the birdie, and heck yes banner. So everything is just chipboard, little paradise or tropical leaves, more tropical leaves. And I love these little pennants here with all the gemmies. Super, super, super cute. Her work is just so beautiful. And then these are with Velcro, and I believe you open this up. Oh, this is just so gorgeous. Adriana, you just do a fantastic job. Oh my goodness. This is even better than, you know, checking pictures. No, you just, it's nice to see it, you know. The quality of the craftsmanship is just phenomenal. Look at this. Oh my goodness, this is just so gorgeous. And I love this idea of using a leafy to hold. And let me just get this. So it's just like 2. So I got 2. I thought that it was only 1. Oh my goodness, look at that. How gorgeous. This is so beautiful. Oh my goodness, just gorgeous. Look at this pouch, so gorgeous. I know I haven't made any of these you know, vinyl pouches, you know, that is engraved right now. I haven't had time, but you know, this is just so gorgeous. One, and then there's the other one. How gorgeous, super gorgeous. And then she tied them up with this paper clip like this, and of course I'm not gonna put that right now. And let's take a look at the on the spine. She put the word paradise. How cute. It's like chipboard. Okay, the camera is doing tricks on me again. Look at the banner and the heart, the pom-poms, and the gorgeous sunglasses. How cute. And this other one, I love this elephant and the tropical chipboard and the mini ones. How gorgeous. I'm probably gonna go quickly because my camera is playing tricks on me today. So this is just so gorgeous, Adriana. Oh my goodness, this is just so beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So, and then of course the pouches, they go inside, and this is just so beautiful, beautiful. And let me just move these a little bit more and probably zoom in again. How gorgeous. A work of art. A piece of art. Oh my goodness. So beautiful. I'm gonna put this closer a little bit. Okay, I'm speechless. This is just so beautiful. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Again, if you like this video, just don't forget to give the thumbs up, share this video with any of your friends and family, and if you haven't done so and would like to be subscribed, click the subscribe button and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much. Thanks again for watching my crafty friends, and see you on my next video. Bye.